Greene County is replacing 12 bridges and making major repairs to 3 others. District 5 Supervisor David Tingle says some of those structures are decades old.
Pilings is probably older than I am, and it's time to redo them.
Timber piles are wooden posts used to support bridges, and they usually last about 50 years. County leaders say the new bridges could last closer to 90 to 100 years. One replacement is on Old Highway 24 over Little Creek. Tingle says that bridge has become rough for drivers.
That one there would throw you about 2 foot in the air when you want to cross it. It was rough and sunk in on each end. It was time.
Another bridge on Old Avery Road at 4 Mile Creek is also being replaced. District 1 Supervisor Dillion McInnis says each project is funded through a $12 million bond the county will repay over the next 15 years.
We're not using any of our local revenue to do this project.
Resident Sarah Dewitt says the bridge work is needed.
I am grateful that the bridges are being replaced because I knew that they were getting in disrepair. They were past due for it.
But she says detours have been confusing or frustrating for some neighbors.
She and her family were coming to Leakesville, to town, to do their business or whatever, and she had no idea that the bridge was going to be closed, and therefore she had to go even further around.
County leaders say they gave notice online and in the local newspaper before the closure. They are asking residents for patience while the work continues.
We have 4 or 5 left that we haven't even started on.
For drivers, that means more detours now for bridges county leaders say should be safer for decades. I'm Morgan Gill with the Roy Howard Community Journalism Center.